How to add a tax to a space in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can add a tax to a space in Wrike. So kindly watch to the end, alright? The first thing to do is to log in into your Wrike account. Now one thing you must notice that Wrikes are very essential if you want to manage your work items. And here is how to go about it. Log in into your Wrike's account, move to the top right corner and then click on the plus icon. In the box displayed, go ahead and click on tax. And after clicking on tax, a box will be displayed at the middle of the screen. And then you see the option save to. Okay, so if this is not where you want to save it to, just click on this cancel button and then click on location. And then once you've done that, you wait for the page to load. Then you can see the different spaces available. So just select the space that you want to save this tax or add this tax to. Then you type out the name of the tax. So for example, it could be sales. Alright, then click on add and open. And just like that, this tax would be created. And once it has been created, once this page loads, you have to customize this page by adding, first of all, to wherever you want to add it to. You can also add the tax to other spaces. Then you can add a sub item, add files, wherever. And then once you're done with this, ensure you tick this to show that it has been completed. And if it has been completed, okay, then by clicking on the more option button or more actions buttons, you can also decide to change attempt type, etc. And then you are good to go. The tags will be added automatically to this particular space. So this is how you can add the tags to space in Wrike. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.